Venus? Venus?
Just correct that.
मैम इस तरफ मैम।
ठीक है ठीक है
क्योंकि सब लोग
तुम्हारा पकड़ना
Now we can just water inside
Yeah.
and we're going to start the event.
Okay.
जैसा कि आज का इवेंट है वो सबको ये एहसास दिलाने के लिए है कि आप जिस मैट्रेस पे सोते हैं तो आपके लिए, आपकी नींद के लिए कितना मतलब कंट्रीब्यूशन होता है उसका। मतलब अगर बहुत बढ़िया मैट्रेस है आपको उतनी अच्छी नींद आएगी और जब आप उठेंगे तो आपकी बॉडी में वो एक्स और पेन्स नहीं होंगे। एंड अभी मैं थोड़ी देर पहले यही बात कर रही थी कि बहुत बार जब हम लोग बहुत खूबसूरत से होटल में जाते हैं तो वहाँ के जब बेड पे सोते हैं तो बहुत कमाल की नींद आती है। तो दैट इज़ बिकॉज उनकी जो बेडिंग्स होते हैं, मैट्रेसेस होते हैं, पिलोज़ होते हैं, वो बहुत हाई क्वालिटी के होते हैं। तो यहाँ पे भी जो लॉन्च हो रहे हैं मैट्रेस वो यही समझाने के लिए कि आपको अच्छी नींद चाहिए और फिर आपको कोई अगर इश्यूज़ हैं जैसे बैक प्रॉब्लम है तो उसके लिए कौन सा मैट्रेस, सबके लिए अलग अलग टाइप का मैट्रेस की ज़रूरत होती है। तो वो सब इनके पास हैं एंड यही अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करने के लिए हमने ये इवेंट किया है। उस पर डिस्कशन होगा कि लोग इतने स्ट्रेस्ड क्यों रहते हैं। और मेरे ख्याल से मैट्रेस में इन्वेस्ट करना बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है बिकॉज़ लोग कहते हैं कि आपकी आधी ज़िंदगी आप सोते हुए गुजारते हैं, तो उसमें इन्वेस्टमेंट करना आई थिंक इज़ वेरी वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर हेल्थ, फॉर गुड स्लीप। वी इन्वेस्ट सो मच इन बाइंग अ कार बट आई थिंक जिस पे आप इतना समय बिताते हैं सिर्फ सोने के लिए नहीं, आजकल तो लोग बैठ के लैपटॉप पे काम करते हैं, बिस्तर पे टेलीविज़न इतने घंटों देखते हैं बेड पे से। सो आई थिंक इट मेक्स फॉर अ वेरी वेरी इंटेलिजेंट इन्वेस्टमेंट कि आप एक बहुत बढ़िया गुड क्वालिटी मैट्रेस ज़रूर अपने मतलब घर में लाएं। एंड इट्स ऑल्सो आई थिंक अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल आइटम टू गिफ्ट समबडी so that they get a good night's sleep always. मैं पर्सनली स्ट्रेस लीव कैसे करती हूँ वो डिपेंड करता है, मतलब फिजिकल स्ट्रेस है कि इमोशनल। लोकेशन शूट, आई लाइक टू स्लीप अ लॉट। मुझे अपनी नींद बहुत पसंद है, सो आई स्लीप अ लॉट अगर मुझे समय मिल जाए तो। या ओके
And then you can catch her again.
Venus? Venus?
Just correct that.
मैम इस तरफ मैम।
ठीक है ठीक है
क्योंकि सब लोग
तुम्हारा पकड़ना
Now we can just water inside
Yeah.
and we're going to start the event.
Okay.
पीछे
तो आप साथ साथ चल
साथ साथ चल चल
तेरा कैमरा आ रहा है।
I was here. We'll just introduce you everybody to the brand and
Hello. Hi. How are you? What's happening?
मैम दोनों एक साथ।
Please put your hands together for Mahima Chaudhary and Neha Dhupia, ladies and gentlemen. Come on. Thank you so much. Kindly step forward. Please join me in welcoming Mr. Enrico, Asia Pacific Sales Director.
Venus? Venus?
just correct that.
मैम इस तरफ मैम।
ठीक है ठीक है
क्योंकि सब लोग
तुम्हारा पकड़ना
water inside.
Yeah.
And we're going to start the event.
Hi everyone, it's just great to be here. It's probably the only place where you can, only event where it's legitimate to actually yawn. And that's what I was doing, because if you're yawning sitting over here, you can just go there and it's like the best thing ever. But I was hoping you didn't ask me that question first, because I don't want to set the bar too high or too low, but it's how it's going to come. I'm just going to be honest. And I'd be like a 4.
Alright, that's pretty good.
Or a 3.5 actually.
Alright.
Less.
And how do you cope up with stress?
By passing out. I sleep. I'm just like, if this is
So that's what we're discussing
too
here today,
stressful, or
sleep
if
and
this is getting too hectic for me, the first thing I do is try and throw my phone far away. And then that stresses me out, and then I go and look for my phone. And then when I find my phone again, it stresses me out even more. So, and then I'm just like, you know what? I'm going to let everything go, and I'm just going to pass out. There was this amazing film that came out just now called Wonder Woman, and there's this scene, the first time she actually interacts with a guy, because she's from, you know, a completely different island, and they haven't really seen men or civilization. And he keeps looking for his watch, and she's just like, she asks such an innocent and interesting question, which is so simple. And she's like, how can something so tiny actually rule your life? Or how can you let that rule your life? And for me, I think the most stressful thing about, even if sleep helps me get rid of my stress, the most stressful thing in my life is to wake up to an alarm. Like, nothing stresses me out more than that. So, you know, like I said, we're just, at every level, we're slaves to something or a gadget or something else, except when we're actually passed out and sleeping. You know, that's the only relaxed or most amazing time that we can have.
Alright. Mahima, what about you? What's your score on a scale of 1 to 10 on stress?
Today?
No, in life, generally.
Yeah, so for the last 4 years, it's been 10.
Okay, you're the perfect candidate for this.
Yeah. Just to give you an idea, I landed from Agra, I got ready, I did my own hair. It's difficult, okay, the men, I want to tell you, to wash it and to blow dry it and to straighten it. And then I did my makeup in the car, and I was half ready. I was in my chappals, so if you go and see the car, it has bathroom chappals and everything. So I got ready, and I have a flight to catch to America, and I have not packed at 2 o'clock. So while I'm talking about how one should relax, I'm actually very stressed, so I'm 10. What de-stresses me is shopping. I was just telling her, you know, everything calls out to me, like this mattress is telling me, buy me, buy me. I want to buy it for my mother because she doesn't sleep very well, and I think it's wonderful. I just stay worried about her oxygen levels, her heart rate, her blood pressure. And right now I'm stressed out because I'm going to be away for a month, and this is absolutely wonderful. This is something I want to get for her. So knowing and being in control is so much better and less stressful. So Magni Flex is, thank you so much for getting this to India.
Great. What about you, Diane? What's your score?
I think I've reached a point in my life where it's like half.
Alright.
We all start off with 10, and then you learn how to manage your stress over time, and as you get older and wiser. And I think it's like, because I'm in the business, in the fitness business, so
managing stress also.
Yeah. You deal with acute stress, which is daily stress every day. You deal with your maids, with your in-laws, you deal with your husband, kids, work. So that is what you learn to manage over time, you know. And you either start your day with your workout or your yoga session, or you manage to take 10 minutes away where you can just breathe and meditate. So I manage it really well. That is acute stress. You know, there's this chronic stress that is very tough. That could be like, you know, financial loss, it could be loss of a loved one. That is what is where you have to go into deep, where it takes time to manage it, because that can cause lifestyle diseases, you know, diabetes, heart problems.
We have a research which shows that stress triggers. I'd like to bring Dr. Yusuf Machispala at this point.
There's a research which shows that stress triggers 70% of the visits to a doctor.
And tested many different things. When I was a few years younger, then people were around me would always say, you know, we can't sleep. And I mean, I could literally nap anywhere and there would be no problem. Like I said, the only time I can't sleep is when I know I have an early flight or an early call time, and that's actually very unhealthy, because when you have an early day of work, like if you have a 6 a.m. call time, you literally need to make sure you sleep really well so that you can actually be very, very productive, exactly like doctor said, you know, that, and this thing that he was saying about, you know, you're crabby and you're in a bad mood, I'm that person. So at least my team knows that till 12 in the afternoon they shouldn't even hover around me. And even if they are, they should like tiptoe and then not talk to me. Pretend like I don't exist. And that's what you come to terms with. But if you're coming back to your question, I feel like I'm going away. So, you know, firstly, I think we worry too much about little things. And I've learned the hard way, because nothing is more important than your own health. And the first thing to start affecting your health is if you don't give your sleep enough importance. And I think Galen, if I'm taking her name right, she came on stage, and then, you know, I usually don't pay too much attention when people talk on stage, but with her I really did, because she's so interesting and she made so much sense about buying a car and buying, you know, the handbag which you're going to carry around your arm, and then you have to carry it in a particular way that you just need to go back and like bandage your arm, and it doesn't do any good to you. And what are you trying to prove out of it? And it's just amazing. Like for me, I think that if you're going to spend 1/3 of your life on that bed or that mattress and sleeping, I think it's probably the best investment.
Absolutely.
And I feel like it's just things like competition, and you know, it's also a new fad. Oh, what's happening? Oh man, I'm too stressed out. Like, you know, it's the thing. If you don't say that, you're just not cool enough or important enough. And you know, it's just time. You just need to snap out of it.
Mahima, do you manage to pack in 8 hours of sleep? As per the experts' advice.
Before I used to, but now I have a little one that I send to school, and her school begins really early, so I have to wake up at 6 with her. And normally I'm trying to watch Arnab Goswami on television. I can't sleep unless I'm charged up and I see someone else more agitated than me. So that sort of calms me down. I don't know, it's got a calming effect. But yeah, yeah, he has. Because I feel like there's one person who's more agitated than me, and it just calms me. I just see them debate, and I slowly reduce the volume.
Or no, I'm sure would not be too happy to hear that.
Yeah,
that he puts you to sleep. Yeah, absolutely.
So that's what I was saying. Last 4 years, I have been stressed because I don't get my 8 hours of sleep, and I need it. And I'm just so happy we're talking about rest for good health, because everywhere I go, it's about running is good for health, yoga, breathing. It's always activity, too. And this is resting is good for health. First of all, that's really nice. So yeah, I haven't got, for 4 years, I've not been getting very good sleep, but I love sleeping. I love long flights. I love 18-hour flights, 16-hour flights. I just love it. So I'm looking forward to tonight when I'll be on this international flight for 8, 10, 12, 15 hours. I love it. So yeah, I'm so happy. The best sleep I get is when I enter a hotel room and I have that mattress, which is pretty much what you're bringing to India. And there's no sound.
Okay.
So that really gives me good sleep.
Okay. We'll move on now. So
I have a suggestion. I really want to move on.
Sure.
I have a suggestion for MagniFlex. You know those little mattresses you get on the flight when you're traveling? Because I spend 1/3 of I think I spent 1/3 of my life on a airplane.
On an airplane.
You know the thin mattresses? Please get some technology into that and get MagniFlex onto our mattresses when we're traveling. If you can come up with
pillows or travel comfort.
Travel pillows, yeah, I mean that or the
some innovation there.
When you wake up, you're like, I mean, we have to wear all these DVT suits and things like that. You might as well get one of these things.
Great. Okay. So moving on, I'd like to bring in some statistics here. Dr. Abhishek and Diane, this is specifically for you three. 72% of Indians are waking up 1 to 3 times per night, and 87% of them say that lack of sleep is affecting their work. Sleep apnea and insomnia, common sleep disorders, and 84 other sleep disorders often go undiagnosed. So why do you think, you're 3 experts here on particularly these matters, why do you think there's such a gross lack of awareness when it comes to sleep?
The question is to Neha and Mahima.
Yes.
What are the 3 things you look into whenever you become a part of any brand or associate yourself with the brand?
Sorry, can you
Should
please
I repeat?
that?
Should I repeat?
Yes, 3
The question is to Neha and Mahima.
Yes, yes.
What are the 3 things they look into whenever they become a part of any brand or associate
Alright, got
themselves
that.
with any brand?
Neha and Mahima, that's for you. They want to know, he wants to know what are the 3 things that you look into or assess before you get associated with the brand?
I think, I'm sorry we made you repeat the question so many times. I think it was just
No problem.
facing the other way. I think the most important thing definitely is an association in the sense that do you relate to the brand and does the brand relate to you? I think as far as Magnaflex is concerned, it's great. We're just not talking about mattresses, or it's not something to do with home decor, but it's got everything to do with lifestyle, it's got everything to do with health, with fitness. So yeah, I see, as far as I'm concerned, I wouldn't be able to speak for anyone else. There's a huge amount of relatability. Secondly, most importantly, would you use this brand even if you weren't on stage talking about it or far away somewhere or on a poster endorsing it? The answer to that should always be a yes. I would definitely use the brand. I would definitely use Magnaflex once I knew about it, once I study about it. That's the second thing. And thirdly, are you selling people the right pitch? Are you talking about quality? Are you giving them what the brand is giving? And are you delivering as much as they say they are? Because, at the end of the day, we bring our audience to your market. That's what we do when we're faces of a certain product. And it's very important that we come up with a certain sense of honesty, and the brand also comes up with a certain sense of honesty. And I think that's where the association and the integrity and the relatability of you as a brand lies, and combining yourself with another brand that stands for all of the above.
Mahima?
Yeah, okay. For me, yeah, the product and or whatever is being launched. If it is an activity, if it is an NGO activity, what is it about, who's involved, is it genuine? So that is the first thing. Yes, the mattress I relate to, I'm using it. I'll wait for the pillows.
You've been using it for a while,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Second thing obviously is the date available, because I do a lot of events. And now I've become a little sticky that if there's too much driving, then I don't go. But earlier I used to even take a 4-hour drive. Now I'm so happy Mr. Modi is making airports in every city, so I'll just fly. But yeah, this driving thing becomes very strenuous for me now. So not too much driving, and dates is very important. And the most important thing is the product or what the event is about, yes.
Neha, this is another question. Stress, we are talking about stress, and that can be killed by a proper sleep. Just right now, 4 hours before, Shujit Sarkar tweeted, he said, humble request to all the authorities who involved in the reality show involving children. And he says, it's actually destroying them emotionally, and they're losing their purity. You also being a judge on so many reality shows where the kids are involved. What's your take on that?
Look, I didn't understand the first part of the tweet.
He says, humble request to all the authorities to urgently ban all reality show involving children.
Reality shows involving children.
Yes, it's actually destroying them emotionally and their purity.
I think, it's different. It's a bit of a competitive world, and I have to stand up for everything that I endorse. I have been a judge on a kids comedy show, and the most important thing is that one is we know as authorities what happens. Maybe sometimes it's an overkill, and I respect what is said in the tweet, but more importantly, there is a flip side to it, what Sujit is talking about. The other side is the fact that these kids are looked after, they're sent to school, they get, for that 2 weeks or 3 weeks that they're in a part of a a certain program, when they're on TV, they get tutored by their teachers in their own private environment. And secondly, I feel like it gives them confidence, it gives them a stage to perform, and it gives them direction, maybe 10 years too early in life. But hey, if somebody at the age of 9 or at the age of 12 realizes that they want to become an actor, there's no harm if there is a platform or a stage provided to them by really big GEC channels. But yes, at the same time, I'm a firm believer in education, and whatever your dream is, you make sure you complete your education and then take it forward.
Mahima, what's your take on this?
Okay, that should be the last question because I think we're running out of time. I've been getting signs.
No, ma'am, I would like to add.
Yes.
Tomorrow they'll say can ban examinations for the school children.
That's true, that's a point.
The most important focus where kids are concerned is child abuse. Child physical, sexual, emotional abuse which is happening all over the country and all over the world. That is what we need to work on. And if we are nurturing talent in children, and I'm sure they don't make them work day and night over there in the studios. So I feel if somebody is coming
it's personal choice. None of us can dictate what someone wants to do with their lives, even if it's a child. He has the right to choose. So any more questions?
The last one to Neha, Mahima, the GST is already started. Being a part of the film industry, how do you think it will affect or it will benefit for the industry?
Okay, that will be the last.
GST, this is the last one.
Okay, one quick.
I don't know about the industry, where they've tried to keep the regional films out is what I saw. But me personally, for me, the tax has just gone up. So I don't know who's going to be happy about paying more taxes. I'm not. 15% service tax was good enough for me, now it's 18%. So I don't know how the industry is going to be. The regional films are exempted, but it's definitely more taxes for me.
Great. So on that note, we're going to wrap up this panel discussion. And I'd just like to end with a research that if all of us were to sleep just about 60 to 90 minutes more per night, we would be a whole lot healthier and happier.
स्ट्रेस दूर करने के लिए मुझे जो सबसे ज़्यादा मेरे लिए ऊपर काम करता है वो है शॉपिंग. आई डोंट नो, मतलब आई कैन रीच द मॉल इन द मॉर्निंग, कहीं पे भी, यहाँ पे, विदेश में, एनीवेयर. आई जस्ट फील रिलैक्स्ड, आई फील गुड, आई फील लाइक आई हैव एक्सरसाइज, ऑल ऑफ दैट. So that de-stresses me.
Okay, what happened on professional front?
Nothing right now. I'm just going on a holiday. When I come back, I'll be more relaxed. I'm going to all the baby places like Disney World and all. So I'm going to get a lot of exercise, which is good for me. But today it was good because we were at this mattress launch and we were talking not about getting exercise, breathing and running and jogging and eating right. We were talking about resting. And resting is also a very important part of life. And I liked discussing that. Sona is golden. It's very important to sleep. Yeah? So have a good rest. Have a good rest, night sleep, yes?
A lot of celebrities अभी reality shows कर रहे हैं, वो prefer करते हैं कि ठीक है movie नहीं है तो we'll do some reality show and something like that. Are you interested? या कोई plan है आपका reality?
No, the show that Neha's doing, actually I have judged children, which I hate doing, but children like to be part of competition. So I've done shows. I even did with NDTV an acting show. I've judged all of that and done lots of events. So I keep myself busy. Yeah.
Okay, have you seen the trail of Harry Met Sejal where Shah Rukh is playing Harry in the film?
No, I haven't seen. I'm already on holiday mode, and so yeah, after August, 5th of August is I'll get into work mode again. So today is my last day of working. I'd like to tell everyone, get yourself a decent mattress. Mattress is very important for sleep, and have a good night's sleep. Sona bhi utna hi important as jogging and eating right. And have great holiday. No.
सरकार ने सोचा तो कुछ ठीक ही सोचा होगा. एडिट में इनका क्वेश्चन डाल देना. मैं आई थिंक मेरे को सबसे ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस होता है अपने मोबाइल फ़ोन से. सडनली व्हेन यू थिंक एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग फाइन एंड यू सडनली चेक अ मैसेज एंड यू आर लाइक ये या हुआ नहीं या फिर ये करना है और दिस पर्सन इज नॉट गेटिंग इन टच, आई फील लाइक द वन थिंग दैट आई डू इज स्टे अवे फ्रॉम माई मोबाइल फ़ोन. क्योंकि जब भी मैं छुट्टी की भी बात करती हूँ मैं हमेशा ये बोलती हूँ कि मुझे कोई ऐसी जगह पे जाना है जहाँ पे मैं बहुत ज़्यादा सो सकूँ और जहाँ मेरा फ़ोन ना काम करे. सो आई थिंक द 2 things that I do to relieve stress, one is get rid of my phone, the other one is sleep really well. You know, I have to be honest, I have not used the Magni Smart Tech, but I've used Magniflex mattresses. और क्योंकि मैं एक, you know, I've been a customer, consumer, whatever you'd like to call me, and it has a technology where you feel better. काफ़ी लोगों को यहाँ पे शायद पता नहीं होता, पर हम जब लड़कियाँ इतनी हाई हील्स पहन के घूमती हैं तो by the end of the day, you know, our feet also swell up and we're like, there was a time I used to keep pillows underneath my feet and sleep, but now Magniflex has the technology. It knows what arch, what body form. I use the most basic mattress, but I'm telling you, if you use the right mattress, your sleep changes. It really does.
Okay, yeah, what's your fitness mantra? मैं अगर बात करूँ, you know, आप हमेशा एक्टिव हैं, हमेशा, मतलब इंडस्ट्री की बात करूँ या वेब सीरीज या कुछ भी, आप हमेशा एक्टिव हैं इंडस्ट्री में. What is your fitness mantra?
वैसे मैंने कोई वेब सीरीज़ अभी तक की नहीं, पर अगर आपने देखा है मुझे किसी वेब सीरीज़ में तो वो अलग बात है. पर माई फिटनेस मंत्र इज़ वेरी सिंपल. या एज सून एज आई गेट अप, ऐसा नहीं है कि सुबह 7 बजे उठ के एक्सरसाइज करनी है, पर इफ़ माई वर्क स्टार्ट्स एट 1 o'clock in the afternoon, then I do a -3 hours, I get up, I go work out and then I start my work. अगर मेरा काम 9 बजे से शुरू हो रहा है तो मेरा दिन 6 बजे शुरू होता है. So every day, like even the doctor said, 1 घंटा मैं ज़रूर एक्सरसाइज करती हूँ मिनिमम. समटाइम्स आई इवन डू 2 वर्कआउट्स एंड इट्स गॉट नथिंग टू डू विद क्योंकि आप इंडस्ट्री में हैं. इवन व्हेन आई डिडंट थिंक दैट कि मैं एक्टर बनूंगी, आई वाज ऑलवेज इनटू स्पोर्ट्स, आई वाज ऑलवेज इनटू एथलेटिक्स. आई थिंक एक फौजी होने के नाते लाइफस्टाइल भी अलग होती है. सो वी ग्रो अप डिफरेंटली, बट येस, फिटनेस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इट्स वेरी स्कैरी नॉट टू बी फिट.
Being in the film industry, do you feel really you get time proper sleep? In fact, because working hours are very odd in this.
No, I think working hours is other, you know, it's your ability to say no. I didn't think I had that, but now I've become a little more selfish कि यहाँ जाना है, वहाँ जाना है. If it comes in the way of my sleep, or if another commitment, or if it's not work कि मतलब shoot के अलावा कहीं और जाना है, and if I know that I'm going to lose my sleep over it, I definitely choose a good night's rest. क्योंकि अगर अगले दिन shoot हो तो I don't go out at all. But yeah, if I know that ठीक है अगले दिन लेट उठ सकते हैं, then maybe I do step out. तुम्हारी I don't think I can throw any light on that just yet. All I can say is the film comes out on the 1st of December and it's been amazing working with Vidya, and rest once the promo is out. Thank you.